Restoration. Restoration. Total restoration for the people that wait on the Lord. I'm looking at Jeremiah chapter 30. Jeremiah chapter 30, verse 17. I will restore health unto thee. Every part of your brain, every part of your body, every part of you, I will restore health unto you. That weakness will not remain there. That fear of sudden death will not remain there. Every medical condition that makes you afraid, maybe I will soon pack up, all that will not remain. I will restore health unto thee. Unto who? I said unto who? Who is the Lord healing this morning? Who is the Lord delivering this morning? Who is the Lord setting free this morning? Whose yoke is going to be broken this morning? I will restore health unto thee, and I will heal thee of thy wounds. External wounds that refuse to be healed, restoration today. Internal wounds that refuse to be healed, restoration today. Psychological wounds that refuse to be healed, restoration today. And wounds by the powers of darkness in your life that came, you don't know how, there is healing, deliverance today. And all the spiritual wounds in the family, there is healing today. I will heal thee of thy wounds, says the Lord, because they called thee an outcast, saying, this is Zion, whom no man seeketh after. But thank God, restoration has come. To you, I said to you, don't look here and there. Your own restoration, total restoration has come today.